the expert in gluing machines, Chanwee Machine, Taiwan. Chanwee Machine, located in Uru, Taichung, was established in 1986. Our primary product, customized gluing processing machinery. Our gluing machines have a wide range of applications, from traditional shoemaking to all kinds of balls and outdoor sports, to labels used in logistics and warehousing in recent years. Our gluing machines make gluing go quickly. Our machines are sold to India, Vietnam, Thailand, Cambodia, South Korea, Australia, among other countries. Chanwee Machine assists all kinds of customers with professionalism and dedication. We provide customized machine development and production services. With years of experience and patented technology, we ensure that after gluing, your products are smooth and free of residual glue. Our optimized, customized production processes lower production costs. Adhering to the spirit of excellence, we establish long-term, stable cooperative relations with customers. Face Gluing Machine JC864E for scraping and gluing various sports ball surface and leather. Available for use with hardening solvent. Inner hermetic storage tank design to avoid volatilized or solidified glue. CE certification. Upper knobs for adjusting height of pressured roller. Gluing on thinning edge and flat evenly. Paper Gluing Machine JC865CDE for gluing water-based PU adhesive on flat surfaces, such as various soft materials, including paper, barcodes, leather pieces, paperboard, plastic, foam, shoe vamps, and so on. Upper knobs for adjusting height of pressured roller according to paper thickness. CE certification. Roller operating speed is adjustable by controlled switch. Emergency stop design to shut off machinery immediately in case of emergency. Gluing amount is adjustable by right side scraped handle. Twin rollers design makes papers pass through the machine after being glued smoothly to avoid over-cementing issue.